Done. I played a lot of video games already. I rather do something else. This is so boring right now. Hey. I have an idea. I too buy a pet at PetSmart, so I can also have a pet. My brother Jake here has a dog, so I want a cat.
Welcome to PetSmart. How can I help you?
Can I have cats?
I'm sorry, but we are out of cats.
That's okay. Can I get a parrot?
Sure, that will be $50. Here you go.
Yes, I finally got a parrot.
Yes, I finally got a parrot! Yes, I finally got a parrot!
Ha 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 ha, it copies me.
Yes, it copies me! Yes, it copies me!
Yes, it do again.
Yes, it did it again! Yes, it did it again!
Violy, what the beep are you doing? Is that a parrot you have?
No, I mean yes.
Is that a parrot you have? No, I mean yes!
No more for now, Mrs. Nunu.
Mrs. Nunu.
It's a name I decided to call her.
Where was I? Oh yes. Oh 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 oh. Violy, how dare you buy a parrot? That's it, you're a grounded forever and ever and ever.
That's it! You are grounded forever and ever and ever!
You know what, if it's funny, you can keep only this thing, nothing else, but you're still grounded.
Thanks.
Thanks!
Ha 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 ha. But still go to bed now.